What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the most scalable online business model of 2026, the Social Media Marketing Agency, SMMA. If you've ever wanted to work from anywhere in the world, be your own boss, and help businesses grow while making a high income, this video is for you. We are going from zero to launch in the next 30 minutes. No fluff, just the blueprint. Let's get into it. First, what is an SMMA? You aren't just posting photos, you are a growth partner. Businesses are struggling to keep up with the algorithm, and that's where you come in. We'll talk about the core services: content creation, paid ads, Meta and Google, and community management. Remember, you aren't selling services, you are selling ROI, return on investment. The riches are in the niches. If you help everyone, you help no one. We're going to discuss how to pick a niche, whether it's e-commerce, real estate, or SaaS. Then we'll set up your agency identity. You don't need a $5,000 website. A clean LinkedIn profile and a simple professional portfolio on Notion or Canva are enough to get started. This is where most people quit, but it's actually a science. We'll cover cold loom videos, sending personalized screen recordings to prospects, LinkedIn outreach, how to network without being spammy, the free value offer, how to get your foot in the door by offering a 1-week trial or a free audit. I'll show you exactly what to say in your first meeting to close the deal. Once you have 2 or 3 clients, you'll feel overwhelmed. That's when we talk about contracting. I'll show you how to find media buyers and content creators on Upwork or Fiverr to do the heavy lifting while you focus on getting more clients. This is how you move from a freelancer to a true business owner. Building an agency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, but it's the most rewarding skill you can learn today. I've put a list of all the tools I mentioned, Canva, Slack, and my outreach templates in the description below. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, which niche are you going to dominate? I'll see you in the next one.
In today's digital world, working online is no longer just an opportunity. It has become the first choice for many entrepreneurs and innovators. With the growing reliance on social media platforms, social media agencies have become a cornerstone of digital success. Through these agencies, individuals and businesses can reach their target audience faster and in more creative ways that strengthen their brand presence. But the big question is, how do these agencies generate profit? The answer is simple: through smart digital strategies. This includes managing paid advertising campaigns, creating audience-focused content, and analyzing data to achieve measurable results. For example, agencies analyze engagement on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to identify peak advertising times and maximize return on budget. The future belongs to those who keep up with change. Social media agencies are not disappearing. On the contrary, they are becoming more important than ever. In the near future, businesses will increasingly rely on digital experts to manage and guide their online strategies. Creative young people will need to learn modern skills such as paid advertising, audience data analysis, and digital public relations. This is the golden opportunity to build a career in the digital market. If you're a beginner, there's no need to worry. All you need is learning and investing in your skills. You can start by offering simple services like managing social media accounts for friends or local businesses. Over time, you can grow into a digital marketing expert or even launch your own agency. Many of today's successful agencies started small and expanded through experience. There has never been a better time to enter this promising field. Every moment that passes brings new digital opportunities you can take advantage of. Join the world of online work and social media agencies and start building your digital future today. The future is in your hands. Don't wait. If you're ready to succeed in the world of social media, now is the perfect time to start. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. Take action and begin today. The learning resources and free websites are available. Telegram group link in the bio.